What's good, guys? I'm Israel Rocha. This is Rochabrand, where we talk about total body care, skincare, hair, grooming, and anything else related to the perfection that is the human body. If y'all could join me in wishing the BluMaan's company a happy birthday. It is their 5th birthday this week from the moment they released their very first product. And I personally like to thank Joe Andrews and the rest of BluMaan's company because some of the products I have been using for years and they've just been amazing. And for the BluMaan's channel, this is where I've learned so many of my different hair tips, hairstyles, and anything in regards to hair. So for this video, it's definitely gonna be a type of review. I recently purchased the BluMaan's Discovery Kit so I could give a really quick review and my really quick thoughts about each of the products. So like I said, I've used some of the products before, however, I will be doing my best to give each product its own equal, unbiased review. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I will be styling my hair with each different product the way the product was intended to be used. So for example, if the hair product is designed to give you a more messy or natural hairstyle, that's what I'll be going for. If it's designed to give you a more slick type of look, I'll be using that product to achieve a more slick hairstyle. Quick disclaimer, guys, when it came to the BluMaan's original styling Meraki, I didn't use this exclusively on its own. Personally, I only like to use this as a pre-styler because that's when I believe it works best. They try to market as you can use it both as a pre-styler and as a hair product on its own. But honestly and truthfully, guys, I would use it only as a pre-styler only. Because when I've tried using it as a product on its own, it just doesn't even compare to all the other products. So there's no point. To keep everything consistent and equal, I use this as a pre-styler in all of the different hairstyles I'm about to show you. To keep this video from being way too long, I'm only going to show you my hair routine with the very first product. Because the beginning part of my hair routine is going to be exactly the same with all the hairstyles. So that'll just be a lot of wasted time. I'll just show you guys the last few clips and the last few seconds of me doing the finishing touches on the different hairstyles. And really quick, guys, if you hear me in this video going back and forth between pronouncing it BluMaan's and BluMaan's, my apologies. It took me a really long time to figure out how to properly pronounce it, but it is BluMaan's. So before we get into the reviews, if you guys could just please, right here, right now, hit that like button for me. Help me with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're feeling very gracious, if you could please hit that subscribe button for me. It really helped my channel out. Thank you all. Alright, so let's get into the first product. Alright, guys, so I just did like a little messy forward quiff, if you could tell. Honestly, when it came to the Monarch Paste, I really like the texture of it. It definitely comes out, like the name suggests, like a paste. It emulsified and rubbed really easily between my palms, which is something that I'm always looking for. As far as the smell, this one doesn't have too big of a smell, which is always a plus for me. I don't like it when the products are just way too heavily scented. Overall, I think one of the biggest components of this is supposed to make your hair feel weightless. I think I can attest to that. I do believe this product is pretty successful in everything it says it's going to do, how it's going to be weightless, how it's going to give you that more natural look. Now, the whole thing suggests that it's going to be matte. If you guys can tell within the camera, I do think it comes off pretty matte. If you see any shine, that's only going to be because of the hair oil I put in. This is just some argan oil, and any additional oil into your hair will produce some shine. Yeah, great product. If you're someone with short hair, I would highly suggest this product. This one does tend to work better with people with like shorter to mid-range hair. As far as holding control, I just styled my hair, so we're gonna have to see how it works throughout the day. I'm pretty sure as the day goes on, it will lose a little bit of hold, but that's only gonna add to the more relaxed, more natural type of look. So here is once again like a nice little natural forward quiff with the BluMaan's Monarch Matte Paste. Alright guys, so today I used the hybrid cream clay by BluMaan's, and the first thing I noticed when I open it up is it smell. Like, I think the Monarch Paste didn't have any type of smell, but this one definitely does. I would say it smells a little earthy, nutty, and like leaves, honestly. I'm sure that has to do with some of the ingredients. Yeah, it smells pretty nice. So here's the thing. This is one of the few that I haven't tried at all before by BluMaan's. And I actually did expect this to be the absolute worst one. I didn't think I was going to like this one. Mostly because I did see some videos on it where people were saying it had no hold. And also on the advertising itself by BluMaan's, it says it has a light to medium hold. To my surprise, I am really shocked. I mean, I just styled my hair, so maybe the hold will go away within a couple of hours. But after immediately styling my hair, I think they reformulated the formula. Unless you guys tell me, maybe it's something that I totally missed. But the hold activated pretty quick, and I'm extremely surprised only based on the reviews I saw. But the reviews I saw were like 1 to 2 years old, so who knows if they changed something in that little time frame. So for this type of product, the hybrid cream clay, it's supposed to be a hybrid between a cream product and a clay product. I can say I definitely have some texture going on into my hair. What I wanted to achieve was the messiest and most relaxed style out of all the styles that you'll be seeing in this video. So I figured I didn't want to do like a pompadour or anything. I just wanted to give like a nice little side part, bring it more towards the side as opposed to bringing it back. Just something like, you know, straight out, not straight out of bed, but, you know, didn't put really much effort into it. I still believe out of all the products, this one will be the most. This one, and compared to the Monarch Paste, something just to say like you have something in your hair. You didn't just wake up, took a shower, and left home. It shows you put like some type of effort into it. Obviously, I still have a good amount left. I'll definitely keep this for future use to see how well it works with longer hair. I just saw an old video with Joe talking about this product, saying it was a product for people with more thinner type of hair or finer type of hair. Now, as you guys can see, I have pretty thick hair and it's working really, really well. I'm thoroughly surprised. So today I tried out the BluMaan's Heavy Cavalier Clay. I have tried this product before. So this product is known for just providing a lot of texture into your hair. And the style I was trying to achieve with this product was more of like a messy type of pompadour. The hair length on my top is a little too short for comfort when it comes to achieving a real pompadour. However, I still think I was able to get a good amount of volume in, and I wanted the fringes just to come out a little bit, just to make it a little more messy. So this product does promote itself as a matte product, and I do believe I can agree with that. I do love this product a lot, especially when I have like shorter hair going on. Not that this is a downside, but as far as texture, it definitely holds true to its name. It definitely has that clay type of texture, a little grainy. It is a little difficult to get that finger pull into the product. Once you get it out and actually emulsify it between your hands, you're gonna find that it just disappears like really quickly, and you're gonna feel like you have nothing left on your hands. However, don't freak out, just add the product in and let it do its job. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I do believe it is in my top 3 of the BluMaan's products. Alright guys, so this is the result of the BluMaan's 5th sample, the Pomade. I definitely went for the slick pompadour look because I want to show you guys with this specific pomade just how slick and sleek your hair can look. I didn't want to go for like a messy pompadour or anything. I just wanted you guys to show you just how slick it can be. So hopefully that is resembled right here. I have to be honest with you guys, I did pick this one for last because it really is my personal favorite. This is the product I have repurchased the most from BluMaan's. I do also agree when it comes to all the products, this one definitely does have the most hold. This hairstyle will definitely stay all throughout the day. Another thing I really like about this product is even though it has that really high hold, if it's like 8 hours later and I need to readjust my hair, I can do it fairly easily and the hair will just stay. So I don't know how they were able to have it have such high hold and also make it very malleable. Let's get into the texture of the product really quick, because I think to most people that is where they might get slightly turned off. I do have to admit, the moment you put your finger in, you can really feel like the tightness and like the difficulty it is to get out the product. The moment you start emulsifying the product between your hands, you can definitely feel like how sticky it can really become. Now they do like to promote this product that has no tugging whatsoever when you start working it into your hair. There is a little bit of tug out, to be honest. It is a very thick product. And one tip I have to advise any of you who use this product is definitely keep working your fingers into your hair. Even if it takes 2 minutes, keep trying to achieve that style that you're going for, because the moment you put the product in, it definitely just takes some work. Really, it's just like you're molding your hairstyle. It definitely takes a little bit of time, but I promise you, it really starts to loosen up and really starts to form that hairstyle that you're going for. They also like to advertise this product as a low shine product. No, there's shine. There is definitely shine, especially out of all the products. It definitely has the most shine to it, without question. But obviously they know a lot of people are trying to go for that natural look, so they definitely don't want to say high shine pomade out there. They just want to throw out low shine. Maybe what they're trying to say is it's lower shine compared to all the other pomades out there on the market. If that's their thing, then kudos to them, but there definitely is shine, guys. I won't lie to you on that. Well, there you have it, guys. Those are my quick thoughts about each of the different products. I hope you guys learned a little something about each of the different products and how maybe you can use them for yourself. As I've kind of alluded to earlier in the video, I already own these 3 products. However, this is your win, your gain. Because the Sunday after this video is posted, I will be giving away those 3 small child size products right here. These can be yours. All you have to do is just follow me on Instagram, and of course subscribe to my channel to enter. Wait for my Sunday post, and you just have to comment something really quick, and these 3 are yours. I'm sure some of y'all who are watching this video have already owned some of the BluMaan's products. If you can, just drop in the comments which one is your favorite and why, and how you like to style it. It's only gonna help me out, and it will probably help out everyone else who's watching this video, just to learn more what these products can do for them. That's it for today's video, guys. If you please just really quick hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. I'll see you in the next video. That's Rocha.